Good morning, students. Today we are going to start Continuity and Differentiability, Chapter 5 of NCERT book. As you have studied continuity of a function at a point in previous class +1, so I am revising here before starting this chapter. Continuity at a point. A function f is said to be continuous at x is equal to a if limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to f of a. Or we can say if limit x tends to 8 from left hand side of f of x is equal to limit x tends to 8 from right hand side of f of x is equal to f of a. Then f is continuous at x is equal to a. कोई भी फंक्शन x is equal to a पर कंटिन्यूस होगा यदि उसकी लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट बराबर होनी चाहिए राइट हैंड लिमिट के और उन दोनों की वैल्यूज़ इक्वल होनी चाहिए एफ ऑफ ए के वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन एट दैट पॉइंट. अब बात करते हैं डिसकंटिन्यूटी. इफ़ अ फंक्शन is not continuous at a point, then we say it is discontinuous at that point. Discontinuity are of three types. First is removable discontinuity. If limit x tends to a from left hand side of a function is equal to limit x tends to a from the right side of the function, they both are equal but their value is not equal to f of a, value of the function at that point, then we say f has a removable discontinuity. This discontinuity can be removed by redefining the function at that point. Second is discontinuity of first type. If left hand limit of the function at that point is not equal to the limit of the function right hand limit to the function at that point, then we say f has discontinuity of first type. And discontinuity of second type, if at least one of the limits, left hand limit or right hand limit, does not exist finitely at x is equal to a, then we say it is discontinued at x is equal to a. Then next is continuous function. A function is continuous at every. First we have discussed the continuity of a function at a point. Now what is continuous function? If a function f is continuous at every point of its domain, then f is said to be continuous function. Continuous function, as you have already studied, constant function, polynomial function, rational functions, logarithmic functions, exponential functions, modulus functions, trigonometric functions, these all these functions are continuous in their domain. तो हम इनको देखकर ही बता सकते हैं यदि आपका फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस है देन इट इज़ कांस्टेंट है देन इट इज़ कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन. यदि वो पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन है देन इट इज़ अ कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन. इफ़ इट इज़ अ रैशनल, लॉगरिथमिक और एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन, मॉडुलस फंक्शन है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन है जैसे साइन एक्स कॉस एक्स, साइन एक्स प्लस कॉस एक्स, देन दे आर कंटिन्यूस इन देयर डोमेन्स. So what algebra of, now we will discuss algebra of continuous function. If f and g are two continuous function at a, then constant of the function is also continuous at a. And second, their sum. If f and g are continuous function, then their sum and subtraction is also continuous at that point, and their product is also continuous at a. F upon g is a continuous function at a provided g should be defined at a. It should not be equal to 0 at that point a. Now we are moving to the exercise 5.1. Some of the sums of continuity you have already done in +1 class also. So the first question of exercise 5.1 is f of x is 5x minus 3. We have to prove that it is a continuous function at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 5. हमने दिखाना है कि ये x इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू -3 और x इज इक्वल टू 5 पर कंटिन्यूस है। तो पहले हम चेक करेंगे एट x इज इक्वल टू 0 टू चेक continuity at x is equal to 0. First we will find limit x tends to 0 of f of x, limit x tends to 0 of 5x minus 3, 5 into 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3, and f of 0 is also minus 3. So because limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0, therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Similarly, you can find the continuity. You can prove that at x is equal to 3 it is also continuous. So first we will take limit x tends to 3 minus 3 f of x, and that will be f into 5 into minus 3 minus 3, and that is minus 15 minus 3, and it is equal to f of minus 3. So limit x tends to minus 3 of f of x is equal to f of minus 3. Therefore f of x is also continuous at x is equal to minus 3. Similarly, you can prove that it is continuous at x is equal to 5 also. First find the limit x tends to 5 f of x and find f of 5. The both will be same, and hence it is continuous at x is equal to 5. Question number 2. Examine the continuity of the function f of x is equal to 2x square minus 1 at x is equal to 3. Our function is 2x square minus 1. First we will find limit x tends to 3 of f of x. Limit x tends to 3, 2x square minus 1. 2 into 3 square minus 1. Then on calculating 9 2s are 18, 18 minus 1, 17, and f of 3. F of 3 is, we will put the value of at x is equal to 3 in the function. 2 into 3 square minus 1. 9 2s are 18 minus 1, 17. So therefore limit x tends to 3, f of x is equal to f of 3. Therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 3. Similarly, question number 3. In question 3, we have to examine the continuity of the function. First part A is, in this part function is x minus 5. As you are seeing, f of x is equal to x minus 5, and for here no point is being mentioned. It means we have to find the continuity, we have to examine the continuity of the function on its domain. And for x less than 5 and x greater than 5, f of x is a polynomial function. आप देख रहे हैं कि जब x 5 से छोटा होगा या 5 से बड़ा होगा तो f of x हमारा क्या होगा, एक polynomial function है. और as we know that every polynomial function is continuous in its domain, so this function is continuous everywhere except at x is equal to 5. For less than 5 and for greater than 5, this function is continuous. So we have to check at x is equal to 5. To check the continuity at x is equal to 5, first we have to find the limit x tends to 5, f of x, limit x tends to 5, x minus 5, 5 minus 5, 0, and f of 5. What is f of 5? Put the value of x is equal to 5 in the function. 5 minus 5, that is 0. So limit and the value of the function at that point is same. Therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 5. So it is continuous for less than 5, for greater than 5, and at x is equal to 5. So this function is continuous on every point of its domain. It is a continuous function. We can say it is a continuous function everywhere. Everywhere means on its domain. F of x is equal to 1 upon x minus 5. Here we see that at x is equal to 5, denominator will become 0. So x is not equal to 5. We are not taking x is equal to 5. And for x greater than 5 or less than 5, the function is a rational function, and so it is a continuous function. C part. F of x is x square minus 25 upon x plus 5, and x should not be equal to minus 5. Our denominator should not be equal to 0. And for x is equal to minus 5, it is 0. So we are not taking the value x is equal to minus 5 in its domain. And for x less than minus 5 and for x greater than minus 5, you are seeing that this function is a rational function. So f of x being a rational function, it is continuous in its domain. You can write a single line in this solution. Next D part is f of x is mod of x minus 5. मॉडुलस फंक्शन है यहाँ पर फंक्शन, और आप देख रहे हैं कि लेस देन 5 के लिए हमारा जो फंक्शन होगा नेगेटिव ऑफ x माइनस 5, दैट इज 5 माइनस एक्स. एंड फॉर x ग्रेटर देन 5, x जब 5 से बड़ा है तो फंक्शन हमारा मॉड विल बी सेम x माइनस 5, and it is a polynomial function. For x less than 5 and greater than 5, f of x being a polynomial function is continuous. So we have now to check the continuity only at x is equal to 5. Take limit x tends to 5. F of x is equal to limit x tends to 5 and mod x minus 5. Now you will see, because it is a modulus function, we have to take left hand limit and right hand limit both to check the continuity at x is equal to 5. First take left hand limit, and left hand limit means x is approaching 5 from left hand side and x is less than 5 and x minus 5 is less than 0. It is a negative number, and the modulus of negative number, on removing modulus we have to write minus of x minus 5, and its limit will be put x is equal to 5 minus 0. It means 0. And limit x tends to 5 from positive side, f of x, limit x tends to 5 from right hand side. Positive means right hand side. Mod of x minus 5, x tends to 5 from right hand side, x is greater than 5, x minus 5 is greater than 0, and mod of x minus 5 is same as x minus 5. And its limit is also 0. And f of 5, what will be f of 5? That will be 5 minus 5, mod of 5 minus 5, that is 0. Therefore left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, that is equal to f of 5. Therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 5. Therefore this function is a continuous function everywhere in its domain. Fourth question is f of x is x to raise power n. It is a continuous function at x is equal to n, where n is a positive integer. So to check the continuity at this point x is equal to n, first find the limit x tends to n, f of x, and limit x tends to n. F of x is x to raise power n, n to raise power n, and this is equal to f of n, because limit x tends to n, f of x is equal to f of n. Therefore this function is continuous at x is equal to f of x is equal to x to raise power n is continuous at x is equal to n. Similarly, our next question is f of x has two values. F of x is equal to x for x less than or equal to 1 and f of x is equal to 5 for x greater than 1. First we have to check it whether it is continuous at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So for x is equal to 0, you see x, when x is 0, it means it is less than 1. Value of the function will be x. Have you understood? जब x हमारा 0 है तो x की वैल्यू क्योंकि 1 से कम है तो फंक्शन हमारा क्या होगा, f of x क्या होगा, x. तो इसकी लिमिट चेक करने के लिए, इसकी कंटिन्यूटी चेक करने के लिए फर्स्ट हमें लिमिट फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ेगी. लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 f of x, लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0. और जब x 0 को जा रहा है, वेदर इट गोज फ्रॉम लेफ्ट और राइट, इट वैल्यू विल बी लेस देन 1. तो फंक्शन हमारा होगा x और लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 ऑफ x इज 0 और f ऑफ 0 भी क्या होगा, क्योंकि ये जो वैल्यू x की है वो 1 से छोटी है तो देयरफॉर f ऑफ 0 इज 0. Limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. Therefore, this function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now, we have to check the continuity at x is equal to 1. As you are seeing, for x less than 1, the value of the function is x. And for x greater than 1, the value of the function is 5. So, we have to find both left hand limit and right hand limit to check continuity at x is equal to 1. First we will find left hand limit. Limit x tends to 1 from left hand side, f of x. x tends to 1 from left hand side का मतलब है x 1 से छोटा है, less than है. और जब x 1 से छोटा है, उससे लेस देन है, तो फंक्शन हमारा क्या है, x. और इसकी लिमिट हो जाएगी 1. और राइट हैंड लिमिट, लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 1 फॉर राइट हैंड साइड, फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड. और आप यहाँ देख रहे हो कि x टेंड्स टू 1 फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड का मतलब है x 1 से बड़ा है. और जब x 1 से बड़ा है तो फंक्शन हमारा क्या है, 5. तो f ऑफ x की जगह हम 5 लेंगे और 5 की लिमिट एज x टेंड्स टू 1 इज 5. ऑल्सो एट x इज इक्वल टू 1 फंक्शन क्या होगा, इक्वालिटी पर फंक्शन क्या है, f ऑफ 1 होगा 1. ठीक है. तो आप देख रहे हो लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज डिफरेंट देन राइट हैंड लिमिट. लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट is not equal to right hand limit. So therefore f of x is discontinuous. Discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Similarly, you can check at x is equal to 2. You will do yourself. और x is equal to 2 पर कैसे चेक करेंगे, क्योंकि 2 जो है वो 1 से बड़ा है. तो x हमारा जब 1 से बड़ा होगा तो फंक्शन हमारा 5 होगा, लिमिट उसकी 5 आएगी. लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 2 f of x 5 है तो लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 2, 5 की लिमिट 5 होगी. और f of 2 क्या होगा, क्योंकि जो x है 2 है और 2 हमारा 1 से बड़ा होता है तो फंक्शन 5 होगा. तो सेम आएंगी दोनों, लिमिट भी की वैल्यू 5 है, फंक्शन की एट x इज इक्वल टू 2 वैल्यू भी 5 है. तो इट इज कंटिन्यूस एट x इज इक्वल टू 2. नेक्स्ट, फाइंड ऑल द पॉइंट्स ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द फंक्शन f डिफाइंड बाय. यहाँ पर फंक्शन क्या हमें बताया गया है, f ऑफ x इज 2x प्लस 3 व्हेन x इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 2 एंड 2x minus 3 when x is greater than or greater than 2. इक्वालिटी के लिए ये है, when x is equal to 2 the function is 2x plus 3, when x is greater than 2 2x minus 3. तो इसमें भी पहले हम देख रहे हैं कि क्योंकि ये फंक्शन जो है ये पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन है, ये हर जगह कंटिन्यूस होगा एक्सेप्ट एट x is equal to 2. So we will check the continuity at x is equal to 2. First we will find left hand limit. Limit extends to 2 from left hand side. Function left hand side extends to 2 from left hand side. Left hand side means x is less than 2. And when x is less than 2, the function is 2x plus 3. Now on taking the limit, 2 into 2 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. Similarly, right hand limit extends to 2 from right hand side. F of x limit extends to 2 from right hand side means x is greater than 2, and when x is greater than 2 the function is 2x minus 3 and its limit will become 4 minus 3 1. Here left hand limit is 7, here right hand limit is 1. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit at x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 is a point of discontinuity. Understood? Next है हमारा क्वेश्चन है सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं एक तो पॉइंट ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी जो हो सकते हैं वो होगा एक -3 और एक होगा 3. ठीक है. और x जब -3 से छोटा है, लेस देन और इक्वल टू -3 है, तो फंक्शन हमारा है mod of x plus 3. And when x lies between -3 and 3, the function is -2. And when x is greater than or equal to 3, the function is 6x plus 2. So to check continuity at x is equal to -3, first we will find left hand limit. Limit extends to -3 from left hand side. X tends to -3 from left hand side means x is less than -3. When x is less than -3, the function is, what is the function? Mod of x plus 3. And on taking limit, mod of -3 plus 3, that is 3 plus 3, 6. Similarly, right hand limit extends to -3 from right hand side of f of x. Limit extends to -3 from left hand side means x is less than -3. Sorry, right hand side means x is greater than -3. x जो है वो -3 की ओर राइट से आ रहा है, तो इट मीन्स उससे बड़े हैं. जितने भी x राइट में है -3 के, वो सारे उससे बड़े हैं. x is greater than -3, and when x is greater than -3, the function will be -2x. -2 into -3, वो कितना हो गया? 6. तो और x is equal to, at x is equal to -3, f of -3 क्या होगा हमारा? जब x -3 के इक्वल है तब हमारा फंक्शन क्या है? mod of -3 plus 3. तब ये फंक्शन की वैल्यू है mod of x plus 3, और x की जगह क्या पुट करेंगे? -3, क्योंकि हमने क्या निकालना है? f of -3. mod of -3 is 3 plus 3, 6. So you are seeing that left hand limit, right hand limit and the value of the function at x is equal to -3, तीनों ही सेम है. It means the function is continuous at x is equal to -3. Same you can check the continuity at x is equal to 3. तो जब x 3 से लेस देन होगा, लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट के लिए हम फंक्शन -2x लेंगे और राइट हैंड लिमिट के लिए फंक्शन हम लेंगे 6x+2, और वहाँ से आप देखना कि क्या ये सेम आ रहे हैं, मुझे लग रहा है इक्वल नहीं होंगे। तो एट x=3 द फंक्शन इज नॉट continuous. x=3 is a point of discontinuity. You will do it yourself. Now we will shift to question 8. Our question 8 is the function is mod of x upon x. X is not equal to 0 and it is equal to 0 for x is equal to 0. ये हमें फंक्शन दिए गए हैं, यहाँ पर हमने पॉइंट ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी निकालना है। क्वेश्चन 9 भी हमारा इसी तरह का है। x अपॉन मॉड ऑफ x जब x लेस देन 0 है और -1 के बराबर है जब x ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0 है। तो आप देखो ये मिलते जुलते फंक्शंस हैं, एक जैसे ही है सम करने का तरीका। यहाँ पर हम कंटिन्यूटी चेक करेंगे एट x इज इक्वल टू 0, यहाँ पर भी 0 पर चेक करेंगे, बट यहाँ लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट के लिए मॉड हमारा -x हो जाता है और राइट हैंड लिमिट के लिए क्योंकि x हमारा पॉजिटिव होगा ग्रेटर देन 0 होगा तो मॉड हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, मॉड हमारा x का x ही रहेगा क्योंकि वो पॉजिटिव है। तो ये सेम है। तो मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 कर रही हूँ, 8 आप 9 को देख के कर लेना। तो टू चेक द कंटिन्यूटी एट x इज इक्वल टू 0, फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट, लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 from left hand side of the function. When x tends to 0 from left hand side x is less than 0 and mod of x will be -x. x हमारा नेगेटिव है और नेगेटिव नंबर्स का जो मॉड होता है दैट इज नेगेटिव ऑफ दैट नंबर। तो लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 x अपॉन मॉड ऑफ x, और मॉड ऑफ x जब हम हटाएंगे मॉड तो यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे -x, और क्योंकि x टेंड्स टू 0 है, x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, वी कैन डिवाइड x अपॉन -x विल बी -1 and limit of -1 will be -1. Similarly right hand side, right hand limit जो होगी लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड x इज ग्रेटर देन 0, और आप देख रहे हो ग्रेटर देन 0 के लिए फंक्शन हमें क्या दिया है, ग्रेटर देन 0 के लिए हमें फंक्शन -1 दिया है। तो -1 की लिमिट भी क्या होगी -1, और f ऑफ 0 भी क्या है, एट x इज इक्वल टू 0 फंक्शन क्या है -1, बिकॉज लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function at that point f of 0, तीनों ही -1 है, therefore this function is continuous everywhere, it has no point of discontinuity। but यहाँ पे आप देखोगे अलग आएंगे 0 पे, यदि ये फंक्शन है तो ये discontinuous होगा at x is equal to 0। next question is question number 10, f of x is x plus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 1 and f of x is x square plus 1 for x less than 1। तो ये क्वेश्चन भी आप खुद करोगे, बहुत सिंपल है, इजी है। हम चेक करेंगे कंटिन्यूटी बीइंग अ पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन इट इज़ कंटिन्यूस एवरीवेयर एक्सेप्ट एट x इज इक्वल टू 1। तो x इज इक्वल टू 1 पर हम चेक करेंगे डिसकंटिन्यूटीज़ की और लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट लेंगे। जब हम लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट लेंगे तो फंक्शन हमारा एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 होगा, राइट हैंड लिमिट लेंगे तो फंक्शन हमारा x प्लस 1 होगा। तो आप करके देखना क्या दोनों लिमिट्स इक्वल हैं, ये दोनों इक्वल हैं देन इट इज़ कंटिन्यूस एट x इज इक्वल टू 1, इफ दे आर नॉट इक्वल देन इट इज़ डिसकंटिन्यूस एट x इज इक्वल टू 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, f of x is equal to x cube minus 3 for x less than or equal to 2 and x square plus 1 for x greater than 2। So being a polynomial function it is continuous everywhere, so we will check continuity at x is equal to 2। to check continuity at x is equal to 2, left hand limit, limit x tends to 2 from left hand side, f of x, x tends to 2 from left hand side means x is less than 2 and our function will for x less than 2 the function will be x cube minus 3, 2 cube minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5, right hand limit, limit x tends to 2 from right hand side x tends to 2 from right hand side means x is greater than 2. When x is greater than 2, the function is x square plus 1. On taking limit 2 square plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. At x is equal to 0, 2. And what is the value of the function at x is equal to 2? At x is equal to 2, equality is here. The function is x cube minus 3. x की जगह अब 2 पुट करेंगे. 2 का क्यूब minus 3. What is 2 cube? 8 minus 3, 5. Because left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of 2. Therefore, this function is continuous at x is equal to 2 also. It is continuous everywhere in its domain. There is no point of discontinuity. And in the same way, you will find question number 12. Here, being a polynomial function, it is continuous everywhere. To check the continuity at x is equal to 1. Left hand limit x tends to 1 from left hand side, f of x. Limit x tends to 1 from left hand side means x is less than 1. When x is less than 1, the function is x to raise power 10 minus 1. 1 to raise power 10 minus 1. 1 की power 10, 1 minus 1, 0. Similarly, right hand limit x tends to 1 from right hand side, f of x. Limit x tends to 1 from right hand side means x is greater than 1. When x is greater than 1, the function is x square, 1 square, that is 1. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. And what will be f of 1? F of 1 will be 1 minus 1, 0. So therefore, because f of 1 is equal to left hand limit but both are not equal to right hand limit, therefore this function f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is a point of discontinuity. In the same way, you will do this question 13. It is also very simple, so try to solve yourself. Bye bye, have a nice day.